Hi, my name is Andrew Blaschek, and I'm one of the instructors here at Tactical Firearms Academy. Tactical Firearms Academy is proud to present the MP5 Operators Course. We're the only ones in the state of Florida that actually hold this submachine gun course with now the famous MP5 submachine gun. Basically getting phased out of service and moving over to the M4 platform, I personally believe that the submachine gun still has a use in today's defensive tactics world. One of the things that we learn in our MP5 course is completely how to take the gun apart and field strip it down to understand exactly why it was the most famous submachine gun in the world. Some of the other things that we learn in our MP5 course is actually how to manipulate the gun properly. The MP5 has no bolt hold open device, therefore it takes a little bit of a special technique in order to differentiate between magazines being empty and malfunction clearing procedures. We actually get into a little bit shooting on the move, burst control, how to transition from one firearm, the primary handgun, to a secondary firearm, your handgun. Basically, at the end of the day, you'll go through about 800 rounds of ammunition and you'll have a hell of a lot of fun doing it. One of the things about the MP5 class that I'm proud to say is that you don't need an MP5 in order to sign up for this course. Tactical Firearms Academy will provide you the rental for the day, which is included in the class cost. Hope to see you soon at one of our MP5 Operator Course.